Jazzy, the Zuzu pet. Come on. Oh, are you scared of the Zuzu pet?
Yeah, but he was really nice.
Oh, Jazzy, oh!
He said he wants to meet me in person next time we go to Japan.
Oh, you're scared of the Zuzu pet?
Dad and we're going to sign up to where I can see the church in person. The what? The church in person and meet him in person. Oh, that's good. Okay. And he showed me where the bridesmaids can get ready.
I've been doing it, picking up stuff, and your dad's still sitting back now.
But it's a really pretty church. I thought it looked really pretty. It has stained glass windows. I have like gold beige walls that were really pretty.
Yeah.
Kitty,
That's
you
good.
scared of Zuzu pet? Oh.
So you guys gotta go there? Is that what he said?
Well, he said that he would like so we could see the church better in person. Well, I could.
Oh, I thought you meant attend there and become members or whatever.
No, he didn't say that.
Oh, oh, oh. You running away from the Zuzu pet?
He just said that he wanted to see us in person and maybe ask my questions. He said it's nothing serious. You can't get it wrong, whatever. You just want to get to know us better.
Anyways, the cat's running away from the Zuzu pet.
Look at the church and all that.
Good. You guys got accepted, so what's
Yep.
your fee?
I don't know. I didn't ask Adam about that.
Silly cat.